What's up, Z fam? So,
we had a little accident.
Yeah, we're making a video where we're handcuffed to each other. We're not 24 hours, but just like a couple of hours, you know? And what? Hang on.
I
Okay.
got out.
I put it back on, and I made it tighter this time, Lucy.
Ow. Ow.
Extra tight, there we go. Now, anyways, guys, yeah, we just ate and we were handcuffed, but we forgot to film it. So, now we're doing it now. We're outside, and yeah. We've been handcuffed for about an hour already, right?
I know, still.
Oh. Well, we've been
Because I had pizza sauce on it.
well, we've been handcuffed for like about an hour already, right? Right? How are you doing that? Hang on. Okay, now I made a deal for her. She stays still, I'll buy her something. Anyways,
I can't see you.
we're handcuffed. So yeah. Anyways, Z-Fam, make sure you like, subscribe. Wait. You gotta like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I make a new video in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have you done it? I hope you have. If not, you're not part of the fam. So let's get started.
Ew!
Okay,
That
go.
pizza sauce on my nose.
Okay, stay with me. So how are you feeling today?
You're talking to me?
Yeah, to you.
Yeah.
Who else?
Well, I thought you were talking to the fam.
Oh,
Say fam
well, yeah.
and B fam.
Well, how are y'all doing today, actually? I hope y'all are feeling A-okay because, hang on, I need to get my hair on my face. This is a struggle. Wait, how do you use the bathroom?
You just asked that.
They need to know.
I just don't know.
Are we going to take a shower and wear these also?
I guess so.
They say no. I think they allow us to do that, to use the bathroom by ourselves and take a shower, right?
Yeah.
They'll let us. They're nodding their head. Anyways, Bailey, do you want to talk about them to anything? I know it hurts. Hey, you gotta talk to him also.
Hi.
No, talk to him.
Wait. Let me get my mood face on.
Wait, is this a good shot of you? Okay, talk to him now. Ow!
Me.
This hurts. Ow, stop. Turn. Bailey, turn. My hair's on my face.
Ew.
This hurts.
Shut up. Put it up.
Well, it's for the vid, okay? It's for the ow. Ow. That hurts here. Let's walk around in front of him. Ow. Okay, there's your nail. Okay. Yeah, let me set y'all up for a second. Okay, back up. Okay. What's up, guys? Ow. Okay. Do you use the bathroom?
No.
I do.
Maybe.
Okay, I'm going first.
No!
Fine, we'll deal with this in a second. Okay, so she's uncuffed now, and she'll be using the bathroom.
Look.
Oh my gosh.
It made me get a mark.
Okay, well, go use the bathroom. Okay, I'm on handcuffed now. I'm a free woman. I'm gonna use the bathroom, so.
And I'm just gonna hold the camera.
Yeah, so we'll see y'all when I'm done. Okay, I'm done. Now time to get ready handcuffed. Okay, we're back outside. Oh, I'm hurting. So we made a decision. We're not going to take a shower in this vlog. Because why would we do that to ourselves? Exactly. Hang on. Let's open. Nope, I can't get it open. I want it to come open though. Let's go on a walk. Ow. Or not. Ow.
Wait, you open at night. Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2. Okay, it's not possible. Wait, come on. Let's go in the car and open it up.
Wait, I can't. The car might be
Just give us a second, guys.
Maybe. Oh!
You didn't know the door always is open?
It is.
Oh, ow, ow.
Wait, hold this real quick, please.
You don't know what to press to get the thing open.
Let's see, Sarah.
We're doomed. You must sit in the car?
I want to sit in the very, very back.
I do too, but like, Mom's gonna get mad.
No?
Ow, ow, wait. Do you want to trade hands? Okay, hang on, we'll see you in a second. Okay, we're in the car.
I'm too small so y'all can't see. Why do you have it?
Huh? Oh, I got stabbed.
By what?
A pencil. Hang on, guys, I need to make mine looser. Oh, that hurts so bad. Okay, hang on.
I hate it. I hate these handcuffs.
I know.
I don't.
So,
I'm gonna have to get
damn
it.
me too.
Are y'all allowed to be in this car?
Yeah, we're making a video. Bye.
That was
Our sister.
Haley.
Our sister. She freaking
Scared.
Actually, let's get out of the car for a second. Okay, hang on. Wait. Okay, we're out of the car because it got hot.
Well, no.
Well, yeah.
Yep.
Anyways, go sit down on that. Ow! Ow! Okay, we've been at this for 6 minutes. Well, no, not really, because like we've been pausing the video for a long time. Bailey, do you think we should unhandcuff ourselves? You want to keep doing this until nighttime? I'm gonna fall. Wait, Bailey, follow me over for a second.
Ow! Ow!
Ow! Ow! Follow me. Okay.
Ow!
Guys, hang on.
Ow!
Guys,
Ow!
I pranked her. She totally thought we were going to play in the backyard, didn't you? Was it hurt?
No.
Oh, speaking of that, guys, look at my wrist. Ow. Should I let you out?
No.
No? Why? You like it there? Okay. I'll see you in a second. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. I'm going to get her. Don't worry. Okay, guys. She's unhandcuffed. I got her out. Does it hurt?
Yes.
Are you happy you're out now? She's trying to get that done. Hang on, we'll wait for her to get it out. Okay, she's got the handcuffs out now, finally. Did that prank you? I got her good. Should we prank our neighbors? Okay, we're about to prank our neighbors. Okay, here we go.
Yep.
Okay, guys.
How do I do this?
Okay, I'm gonna show you. Come here, follow me. Okay, hang on. Okay, guys, so what you gotta do is see this chain right here? We're gonna hand over to the chain. She doesn't know it's a video, though.
It's a prank.
I know. She doesn't know it's a prank. Okay, not all the way, not all the way. Okay, now get yourself into it. Okay, she's gonna get herself into it now. Okay, Bailey. Let me get the key so I can unlock you now.
I don't know where the keys are.
Wait, I thought you had the keys.
I don't have the keys.
Wait, you lost the keys to the handcuffs.
Yes.
So don't say my name. Okay, that's not say my name.
Ow!
Wait, you lost the keys to the handcuffs?
Yes. Ow! I don't know.
Hang on. Here, hold this.
Ow! Ow.
Okay, here.
Okay. Ow! Someone get me out. They like. Go tell them.
Oh my gosh. I Oh, that's working. Okay, kind of hold the phone like this. Yeah, towards it. No, towards it. Make sure it's showing it. Okay. Yeah. Hey, can you see right here we lost the key?
I don't know where the key is.
If I don't find my key, you're going to be stuck there.
Yep. I'm going to be stuck here for a long time. To the handcuffs? Yes, it's hurting me.
We're kidding. We don't need any key.
I know how to get out of them.
Okay. We got them good. You should have seen their faces. They're like, oh, you got that out yet?
Wait.
Wait, are you actually stuck? No, okay. I thought she was stuck for a second.
Tell them that it wasn't great.
Oh, I told them it was.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Okay, you can tell them. I'll video you telling them. Okay, go.
Wait, I gotta have the cousin.
Oh, you gotta say you just been pranked.
Wait, come here.
Our neighbors think we're weird. Dude, Bailey, our neighbors think we're weird now because of you saying, we got them good. Are they outside still? Okay, they're not. Okay, yeah, we got them though. Well, Bailey, you ready to end this video? Okay, let's do what we are normally supposed to do. See on this. Oh, wait. Okay, ready? Okay, come on. So you have to turn on, ready? I want Mr. Bubblegum. I want a chicken stick. I want a da-da-da. Oh, 'cause you're so thick.
This hurts.